Does your little one ever suffer from a cough that keeps them and you awake at night? Dr. Talbot's Cough Relief is here to help. A special blend of homeopathic ingredients made with natural elderberry juice soothes, calms, and relieves your child from the effects of coughs and colds, providing temporary relief from chesty dry coughs, sore throats from excessive coughing, mucus buildup, and congestion. For quick, accurate dosing, simply use the Easy Dose syringe and let your child enjoy the flavor of natural elderberry juice. Dr. Talbot's Cough Relief helps bring calm to the distressing effects of chest congestion naturally.